Good morning, it's me, Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I wanted to show you a project that I'm working on. So, yeah, so I got free images from Shabby Art Boutique, and it's just the 2 pages, and I want to show you what I did with it. So, this is heavy cardstock that I printed it on, and I'm going to have a walkthrough tutorial real fast for you. Okay, so let me show you. So here it is. This is going to be the note card where I write on the back. And then here it is. I die cut 3 hearts, 1 on the back, 1 I cut to make a pocket, and then here's the back. And here is all the little cute stuff. So I have lace, and here's the pocket, and in between these 2 die cuts is the lace on there, and then I just fussy cut, and then I used ink on the edges, and I'm just putting the things that she gave us in the pocket like this. There's glue strings, and here we go, and here we go, and just a little heart, and then I dressed it up with some pom-pom stuff and a little pom-pom and a little bow. I don't know if you can see that. So this also would fit in there if you want, but it kind of takes away from the heart shape, but it can fit in there. So if this was a little bit smaller, I think it would have been a little bit better, but you can make a note card out of it too. So the pom-pom stuff I got from Hobby Lobby on half price. It says $4 or $3.99, so I got it for 2, and that's what that is. And so that's cute to show you that there's an actual pocket. Here is the lace trim. I think this is really old. I think it's gone up in price. It says $1.99, and I bought it for 1 because Hobby Lobby every other week has their trims on sale. So there it is. There is this. So here is what I did. So I was able to get 3. I took my heart die that I got from Amazon, and I got the biggest one, and I cut it out 3 different times. And the reason why you need it 3 times is you need it for the main base, and then you need it for the back to clean it up and make it look good. And then you need it to cut in half, or cut some off, and this is, I'm not going to use, and it makes the little pocket. So that's how quick and easy it is. It was a quick and easy project, and I still had a couple of fussy cutting pieces that I didn't use, and I could put this right here and write the word love, but I'm happy with what I did. And yeah, so hopefully if you go and get her free printable, you can do that. So there you go. Alrighty guys, have a blessed day. All my links are down below. Bye. Shabby Art Boutique on Facebook.